back at it. We got a nice day today. We have a couple things we want to knock out. First, we're going to try to put the vent back on here, and we got some wheel ups to put on, and we'll go around and try to find all the reflectors and things like that, and maybe even put the lights back on the side if we have some daylight. So that's what's going on next. Enjoy watching and following along. So we got these guys all bolted in. They're originally installed with rivets, so it's going to make them way more serviceable if you ever have to get them off again or touch up paint or something. Still going to take a while because there's like 15 or 17 bolts on each side, but I'll show you the other side too. While we were working on these, we also repainted them, as well as that black grate on the side, so everything's nice and shiny. As you can see, got some nice shimmer to both the wheel lip there and to the grate here, and then up here as well. The mirrors got just a little bit of touch up too, so they're not so nasty looking. They were all white and chipped before, so same here. You know, nothing crazy, but just enough to make it look nicer. So okay, so we have one set of marker lights for each side that got to go back on, so that's going to get soldered on here, shrink wrapped, and then same on the other side. And then I've got a bundle of reflectors. There was this one and this one on each side. I got some nicer ones from the hardware store, so those are going to go in next instead of these probably, because these are crusty and I don't know, not that nice, and you're not going to be able to see them. So that's what's going on here. Keep watching, and who knows, maybe you'll learn something. So we got the lights in. They're stuck on, and I also threw some screws through just to be extra safe. That guy, and reflector back here. And we'll go around the other side. You saw me put these on too, but reflector here, new fasteners, light there, and then this guy reflector here. So should be pretty easy to see at night hopefully, but I think this thing's cleaning up super nice. It already looks like 100 times better than it did before. It's going back together, which is cool. Also a very good look. So keep following along. We will see what is next. I've got, looks like about an hour or so of daylight. So if I can find something to do on the outside next, I will get that done.